Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to optimize Marvel Rivals. Firstly, we gotta tweak some in-game display settings for Marvel Rivals. For target display, primary monitor. Display mode, full screen. Aspect ratio, match your monitor like 16:9 for example. Resolution, set it to native resolution of your monitor. And anti-aliasing and super resolution type. NVIDIA GPU, DLSS with super resolution set to performance or balanced. AMD GPU, EPIC TCR with super resolution set to performance, anti-aliasing to set ultra. Frame generation mode off, low latency mode on. For NVIDIA GPUs only. Brightness 50, limit FPS off, show FPS on, and network stats on. And finally, VSync off. For in-game graphics settings for Marvel Rivals, optimized settings, make it custom, graphics, quality low, of course, global illumination, SSGI or low quality, reflection quality like screen space reflections, model detail low, post-processing low, and shadow detail medium depending on your device. When it comes to texture details, set it to low, effect details low, and foliage quality to low. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.